This is the Festool TID 18 brushless impact driver, and we are here today with Carl from Festool, who is going to be telling us all about this machine. Carl, what do we have here?
Yeah, so the first thing about it is we wanted to design the machine to be as compact but as powerful as we could. So what we've managed to achieve with the TID 18 is a really small, compact impact driver that only weighs 960 grams and is really balanced when connected with our high-power 4-amp batteries.
Lovely stuff. And as I said at the start, brushless motor.
Yeah, so brushless motor. This is our Brushless 2 version of the motor. So our second generation, so it's our lightest and most powerful brushless motor to date.
And you know, I think with Festool, one key word that kind of springs to mind is versatility. I mean, if you've seen everything else from Festool, there is so much versatility with their products. I mean, we just, you know, little behind the scenes magic, we just filmed a video on the combi drill. I mean, that has 4 different heads, so you guys love versatility, that's what you're pushing for. With regards to speed modes here, I'm used to numbers at the bottom. Yeah, I've got a variation of things here.
Yeah, so we've got a light indication system which tells us the power and performance of the machine. So as we press, we can change the settings. So we have low torque, medium torque and high torque, which gives you the flexibility to change the speed of the drill depending on the application required. And finally, we have a very clever T mode. So people think it's a hammer, it's not, it's a T mode and it's for tech screws.
So that's going to be great if you're working in metal.
Yeah, if you're attaching sheet metal, cladding or anything like that into a wooden facade, what the machine will do is it will automatically spin at full speed without any impact because it recognises it's going to go through metal first. Ideal for self-tapping the screw, and then as soon as it feels the resistance and the torque of the wood underneath, the impact will kick in to drive that screw back.
That is lovely stuff. You can check this out, the TID 18 from Festool over at its.co.uk.